There is a time for all things to wither, and a time for all to prosper. In the art of flower arrangement, every bloom tells a story, a delicate balance between beauty and decay. In this ancient practice, every stem is placed not just for appearance, but for meaning, representing harmony, patience, and the passage of time. Like life, flowers bloom and fade, yet within this fading, there is beauty. Everything can be achieved calmly, with purpose. The art of flower arrangement is not about perfection, it's about embracing the imperfections, knowing that every moment of creation is fleeting, and that is where its beauty lies. Subscribe for more serenity.